Some jobs you don't walk away from. This isn't just another job. This time we're pulling off the biggest heist the world has ever seen.
Just what I needed, another impossible job.
We don't do easy jobs anymore.
Tell me again why we're stealing this thing.
Because it's priceless and cursed.
Stop wasting time. Let's make this count.
I should have stayed in bed today.
Relax, we've done worse.
We've got 60 seconds. Hurry up. Stop wasting time. Let's make this count.
Looks like we just stole history.